Okay students, so the last topic of this chapter is nervous tissues. Okay, so nervous tissues conduct electrical impulses, are specialized tissue, or you can say these are the specialized tissue or special tissue that serves to transmit certain information to one end of the body to another end of the body. Okay, they used to transmit the information from one end of the body to another end of the body by the means of electrochemical impulse. Okay, in the form of electrochemical impulses. On an easy word, you can say in the form of impulses. They used to transmit the information. The brain, spinal cord, nerves, all are composed of nervous tissue. Whatever activity we are doing it is the is the is the impulses, is due to the impulses. Okay, the cells of these tissues are called as nerve cells or neurons, because the neuron is there to transmit the information from one end of the body to another end of the body. Okay, so millions of neurons are interconnected in your body, which used to transmit the electrical impulse or signals from one end of the body to another end. So what is the structure of neuron is? Neuron look like this. All of you learn this diagram very carefully. This is a diagram of neuron. See, this is cyton, or you can say the cell body. Cyton consists of dendrites, and dendrites used to receive the electrical impulse. Whatever the signals is there, it is receiving from this electrical impulse is receiving from the dendrites, and then it travels into the cell body or cyton. This is cell body, or you can say the cyton. Okay, so this hair-like structure is the dendrites. This is the cell body, and this is the nucleus. Okay, so here the cytoplasm inside the cell body is called as neuroplasm. Okay, so the cytoplasm inside it is called as neuroplasm. Clear? This hair-like structure is called as dendrites. This is cell body, or you can say this cyton, and here the nucleus is present, and the jelly-like liquid fill inside this cell is called as neuroplasm. Okay, so it consists of true nucleus and mitochondria, Golgi complexes, and other usual cell organelles are present here. Okay. Now, after cyton, the second part is axon. Now, the dendrites are receiving the electrical impulses. Now, the electrical impulses reaches to the cyton, and now the impulses travel along with the axon. Okay. So, after traveling along with the axon, they reaches to the end of one neuron, that is called as nerve ending. Okay, this is the nerve ending or the last part of this neuron. Okay, so this nerve ending, or you can say the millions, as I told you, the millions of neurons are attached with each other. Okay, so when this neuron get finished, when the electrical impulse sent along with the body of this neuron, the signal passes into the next neuron. So the dendrites of the next neuron catches the signal, and again it get transferred into this message, or you can say signal is transferred into the next neuron. So that is how the transmission of electrical impulses carried out. Along when the electrical impulse carry the messages or signals along with this neuron, so it will transfer its signals to the next neuron. Okay, so the junction between these two neurons is called as synapse. Junction between two neurons is called as synapse. You can write down it in your copy. The junction between two neurons are called as synapse. Okay, so this is all about the nervous tissues.